how has Singing for Beginners featured in your singing journey? I mean, you said quite a lot about that already, but
So
where does that sit for you in terms of what you've gone on to do with singing?
I mean, I wouldn't have even sang in front of my family before I came to you. And now I'm leading groups of 20 babies and 20 adults, if not more. I've written songs to sing in my classes, and I just love singing so much. Like, it's just, I wanted that thing that was like, oh, Hayley, she sings. That's her thing. She doesn't go to golf, she sings. But actually, it's like, it's more than that. It's like, oh, it's just my go-to in any situation, not just for work. So if I'm happy, I sing. If I'm upset, I sing. It's just my go-to. And yeah, I didn't have that passion for it before doing the class, the beginners class. And yeah, I would recommend it to anyone to do that.
You've
If
discovered
you've got
this.
even got like a little inkling that that's what you want to do, whether it's for pleasure or professionally or whatever, I just think, got to do
Give
it.
it a try.
Yeah, definitely.